Hey guys, today I want to present to you a little bit of a different recipe, but delicious nonetheless. This is a little bit older, but we will make it work. You want to start out by melting your chocolate. Then you want to take a bowl and you want to add your mayonnaise. Is that how you say it? I should have looked that up. Then you want to add the melted chocolate to that. And make sure that you mix it well. Then you want to add some tomato paste. All the measurements will be down below. Some horseradish. Some ketchup. Honey. Mustard. Salt. And pepper. And then you want to just mix until it's all combined completely and you have a nice even texture. And that's all done. Now let's move on to the burgers. Now this is just, one version. You can do whatever you want. You want to start out by cutting down your tomatoes into slices. And I love tomatoes. I really do. I can't live without them. You want to cut down some cheese into slices. Same with the cucumber. Then we get an avocado. And meanwhile, you want to go ahead and roast some chicken with some salt and pepper. Back to the avocado. You want to slice that up as well. And I love avocado as well. It's just like my two weaknesses, tomato and avocado. Meanwhile, the chicken should be done. Now you can go ahead and build your burger. So this is always done by my boyfriend because he's so much better at this. He will spread the mayonnaise on top of the buns. Then place some cucumber. Drop it. Some salad, the chicken. Some cheese, avocado, and tomato. And then he will probably never be able to put that into his mouth. But yeah, that's it done basically. So as I said, this is just one version. You can try whatever burger you want to do with this mayonnaise. I think it's really fun and different. But I didn't really taste too much of the chocolate, to be honest. But still, it's something you can try out if you ever want to try cooking with chocolate. Have a great day. Now we'll talk to you soon. Bye.